class, I'm going to spend just a short bit of time since we did go ahead and discuss the issues and a lot of the conflicts of Israel and Palestine in our Class Connect session this past Monday. I'm just going to spend a few moments hopefully helping you ensure that you know where to even access the discussion board and just ultimately what are the ultimate goals of it. So don't forget your discussion board is going to open Wednesday at 8 a.m. Hopefully this might be when you watch this video, or it will be closing on Friday at 4 p.m. So our focus point overall of this discussion is really referencing and pinpointing how the 5 themes of geography, and even if they do they and how do they impact conflict specifically in the region of Palestine and Israel. So we look into, we zone in on these certain areas. In Class Connect session, I've already gone over a lot of the history, the aspects of that, and just kind of opening up to you how do these even reference or make sense. So I'm not going to go through specifically the importance of or the specifics of Israel and Palestine, but I am going to go ahead and just helpfully help you understand where to find this discussion board. So you will access your course content, going to tools, discussions. You will scroll down till you see 2.02 discussion, Israel and Palestine. Now in this, you are simply being asked the question, what side are you on? Are you on a side? Did you understand the research and kind of seeing the aspects of the conflict with, specifically in the Middle East, of Israel and Palestine? Do you feel that both sides have valid arguments? So maybe you couldn't choose a side. Well, why is that? And ultimately, also, do you think the fact of the area both sides are fighting for is small, but yet it has caused such a conflict for such a long period of time? Is there a way to even ease this tension? Or what are how does geography play into the role of this conflict in itself? I have added in another video kind of detailing kind of the information about Israel and Palestine. I've also added in a couple extra links where you can find some extra information. But that is really how you will access it, and then you will post your discussion. And the big point also is to make sure that you do respond to 2 peers. Keeping in mind our simple class reminders that everybody does have a say. Everybody, you might not agree with everyone, and if you don't agree with someone, maybe just understand that their differences are valid. Make sure that you respond politely. Don't put anyone down. Make sure that you are positive. You can still disagree with someone in a positive manner. Overall, your writing goals are to make sure you write in complete sentences, clearly stating kind of what side you are. If you cannot make a side, explain why you can't. That is going to be even a valid point in itself. Do you propose any solution, or how do you think this can come about? And just overall, what are your thoughts on this issue? Specifically considering it is at such a small area over in the Middle East, but yet it has been the source of conflict for so long, beyond the reasons of why. What all goes into it? Is it a one thing answer, or are there many components to the rising conflicts in the Middle East? If you have any questions, of course, you can reach out to me. Hopefully in our Class Connect session, if you missed it, make sure you watch Monday's recording to answer a little bit more about this topic. And I look forward to reading all of your discussion boards. Thank you.